What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Master Precision Trading. So for those of you who are new, my name is Sajid, and I started this channel to just form a community of like-minded individuals who are willing to take that step into investing in themselves and investing in the future. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right back into what today's video is about. Now, I did take 2 weeks without posting, and I apologize for that because I've just been dealing with a few family emergencies with school and just a bunch of other life things. Now, I have been trading, just not so much like I usually do, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, if that. But I have been following my own rules, which is super important, locking in profits, staying consistent, and just focusing on what I know how to trade, not what other people know how to trade, not following other people's rules or what they say. I'm just focusing on what I know, focusing on what is trending up, and I'm not trying to catch any reversals, not waiting for the pendings and none of that, just trying to focus on what is trending up, and that's so important. So again, the market is choppy right now, so it's very important to just trade what you know, lock in profits, walk away. So today's video is on earnings report. There's a lot of earnings happening. I know Facebook is coming up, Tesla had theirs today, and Darius Cole asked me today, considering that I've been posting on Instagram about Tesla and hyping up their earnings report coming out today, which I already did, which was pretty good. So he asked me, what is the earnings report? An earnings report is basically well, there's quarters, so there's 4 quarters, and this was the Q3 report for Tesla on what their earnings are per share, and they were expected to have a negative 19 cents, which is bad, negative 19 cents per share, and their earnings report was $2.90, so the stock totally just flew, and I called it. I said that they would go to 327 after hours. They went up to 332, which is pretty good. I'm up about $800 on that. So earnings report is just simply each quarter the earnings that the company has made per share, their profit. So $2.90 per share is what Tesla has made in their third quarter. Now let's go ahead and talk about what a PE ratio is. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast or rambling. I'm just trying to get it done, get it posted for you guys because I know I've been lacking, and I have the videos pre-recorded for a few lessons, but here's just the earnings video. So a PE ratio, price earnings per share. You do the price per share divided by the earnings per share. So we could do 23 divided by $2.90, which is the earnings per share. So we could go ahead and grab this right here. And the cool thing about TD Ameritrade's platform is they have this cool little calculator that you can add down here. So $28 divided by $2.90, and that gives us the PE ratio right there. So with that being said, let's go ahead and look at what Tesla, how their price action has been. Let me go ahead and minimize this, sorry. So the last 180 days, we could go ahead and see how their earnings has been. Negative $3.35 right there. Negative $3.06 right here. And then here we have that $2.90 push up right above here. Broke that resistance up there. So went up to 332, pulled back down here to 316 is what it is at after hours. We'll see how it moves tomorrow. Considering that the market is choppy, even with all this good news, Elon Musk announcing the 250,000 vehicles being produced per year, the China factory, Model Y, all these different good things that Elon Musk is letting us know about. The market is choppy, so even though that is very good news, we can see that it could even push down, and eventually it will recover. But let's go ahead. The whole tech sector in general, Amazon all the way down to 1664, and if we look at the 180-day chart, we can see that it's been in an ascending uptrend. It went up to $2,050, and it started to pull back right here with the market conditions. Even though we all know Amazon is a very good company, it is constantly putting out good content, quality stuff, all this good stuff, and we see how it's fallen to 1600s. So we know that the whole tech sector in general, if we look at Apple as well, when it hit that $233, the market did begin to start becoming choppy right here, and it went down to 213, 215 area. So everything is just trying to recover right now. The market is choppy, and it's so important to just focus on what we know how to trade, focusing on the simple things, locking in the profits, and knowing when to walk away. That's so important. So we talked about earnings report, what they are. Tesla had their good earnings, and let's go ahead and talk about what I've been trading. DGAS and UGAS. Now, I know you guys are looking at that and thinking, wow, why is he trading something that's going down in the last 180 days? Let's go ahead and look at the last 5 days, and let me show you how this pretty much works. I've been trading it for a while, so I'm used to it. I've identified the patterns. So here in the last 5 days, right here was at $92, and as in relation, we could see what DGAS was at. DGAS was at $13.60. So when one is low, one is high, one is high, one is low, and that's pretty much how it works. We can also go based off of the ETF, natural gas, and how the market is just doing in general. So DGAS, I've been buying at the dips. I've identified the patterns. I know how to get in. I know how to get out. So today I traded this one, made about $100. Kept it simple. I didn't expect it to keep pushing up to $15. Right here, when it approached this resistance, I got out. And then TNDM, right here, I got in at $36.90, got out at about $37.20 for a little bit over $100 profit. And then if we look at ECYT, this is something I still have, but I need to lock in profits. I do know that. Now, if we look at the 180-day chart, 4-hour 180-day chart, ascending uptrend, pulled back down here. Here's the support level. It was trading underneath that simple moving average, and it popped up to $23.69 with a few different factors, and I was in at $16. So I'm up about over $2,000 on that stock right there. But I do know how bearish it can be and how volatile this is. It has been with low volume, but I do know I need to lock in profits because it could easily sink. Low volume, nothing too special, 23.56, but I'll go ahead and take that profit this week. And then if we look at Tesla, again, I'm just up $800. I will lock in profits this week. I was going long on it. I know that shorters got crushed. I was betting on it on the Instagram page. I went ahead and said that Tesla will go to 327 after hours, went up to 332. So to conclude this video, I just want to say that I have been working on a lot of stuff, my Amazon business, some other businesses, school, just family emergencies, all these different things. But I have pre-recorded videos that I'm going to be putting out this week, and just all these different lessons, because I have been getting a lot of questions. I've been answering some of them on Instagram, direct message, email, all that good stuff. But one thing I want to say is take that initiative today, take it tonight, whatever it may be, whatever time zone you're in, take the initiative. Take that step into investing in yourself and investing into the future, whether it be going on a walk, going on a run, going to the gym, writing your thoughts down, reflecting on your day. It's so important because everything about being a trader, it all starts right here with your mental. So just reflect on your day. Know why you had a bad trading day. Know why you had a bad day in general. See what you could do to better it for the future, better it for tomorrow. Make tomorrow better, make tomorrow that day. Make it happen today. So pick up a book, take that initiative to flip that page, read it. Whatever it may be that you're trying to do in life, just start doing it. That's all it takes, is that first step. And you may fall off. That's okay, because we all need that structure. But we just need to change our approach and continue to keep bouncing back. It is so important to keep bouncing back, because if we don't bounce back, we will just keep falling down, and we will bound to end up shipwrecked, is what I'm trying to say. So a ship without a map is bound to end up shipwrecked, and we are the ship. We need a plan. Let's go ahead and get that plan. Let's get that structure, and let's change our approach. So like always, thank you guys for your time. I really do appreciate it. Like always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to keep it green, keep it simple, lock in profits, and know when to walk away. So thank you guys for your time. Like always, later, traders.